out this old Ford pulling up at the barbecue place. I'm gonna have to talk to this guy. I ain't never seen a camper shell like that in my entire life. That is too damn cool right there, man. Let's see if we can talk to this guy for a second. You about your truck for a minute?
Absolutely.
That was the coolest truck I've seen in a long time, man. I have never seen a camper shell like that.
It's an old gem top from the 60s.
Is it?
Yeah, I picked it up from a guy over in New Smyrna Beach about maybe a month ago.
A month ago? Wow.
And he had it on a 70 F250 that came out of Washington State. So I was like, yeah, I'll snag it and put it on my truck.
That is too cool. What year is that one?
Mine's 78.
78.
Yeah, I put a
Nice.
77 front grill on it just because I like them better.
Right? I like the brush guard on there too. That's nice.
No idea where that came off of. Guy got it from, said it came off of 78, 79.
Yeah.
And, it kind of fit, but not all that well. So
Yeah. It looks cool though. It's got the horseshoe in there.
I've had that fucking horseshoe for like 30 years.
Wow. You got the gun rack in there.
Yeah. Got my rifle in there. It's a 49 Winchester Model 94.
Nice. Got the hat rack in there. Man, this thing is too cool.
Still got the dealership bumper on it too, where it came out of.
Look at that. Coswell Motors Incorporated, Russellville, Arkansas.
They are still around.
Still has a nice bed in it too.
Yeah, up by the front part where they all rust out.
Yeah.
That's pretty shot, but the rest
Yeah.
is terrible.
Well, damn, thank you for showing me that. That is one cool F100, man.
Yeah, that's my daily. So.
We're at the barbecue place in Ocala. I was up here to see Don Garlitz and grab some lunch, and then I saw this. So I had to get a video of it.